Briquette India Company. We are one of the largest producers of biomass briquettes in India. Started in 2015, our company is strategically located in Varagani village of Guntur district, surrounded by 50,000 acres of agricultural land, helping us in our huge procurement process. This gives us an undue advantage over our competitors located mostly within the city premises. We have a huge farmer base of 150 assisting us in our timely procurements. The current scenario of this industry is huge gap in demand and supply in terms of quality and consistency. Major problem with current suppliers is lack of infrastructure to facilitate uninterrupted supply, especially during the rainy and winter seasons. But here, we, Briquette India Company, are much ahead of our competitors. We are one of the biggest plants in the briquetting industry with unparalleled production capacities. In 2015 to 2016, our production was 6,000 tons per annum. In 2016 to 2017, it increased to 8,500 tons per annum. Last year, in 2017 to 2018, we made 13,300 tons per annum. Total annual capacity is 20,000 tons. Total daily capacity, 60 tons. Here we have direct and indirect employment of 150 to 200 present, and a huge farmer base assisting with our procurement process. We procure around 15,000 tons per annum. Large stocks which help us maintain the consistency in our supplies there by winning accolades from our clients. Maintaining the consistency with the specifications of our clients in terms of the quality of raw materials using heavy-duty pulverizer, we have the best infrastructure, facilitating round-the-year and uninterrupted supply. Moreover, none of our competitors operate to their capacities during the rainy and winter seasons, where we are the only exception. We are the only briquetting company in the national market to produce to our full installed capacities during the rainy and winter season using a heavy-duty rotary drum dryer. Maintaining quality is our utmost priority. We use specially designed sand and stone separator to grade away the impure particles from the raw materials procured. Large team of dedicated and professionally driven operators working in shifts help us achieve the heavy annual productions targets. We have a team of well-trained technical consultants continuously monitoring the boiler performances across all our client locations. Quality, reliability, and trust is what we stand for.